Keto-fried chicken. Ingredients: 2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs or dreamets, 1 cup almond flour, 2 tablespoons parmesan cheese, grated 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 2 eggs, beaten 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup hot sauce, optional, oil for frying, avocado or coconut oil work well. Directions: in a shallow dish, mix together the almond flour, parmesan cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt and pepper. In a separate shallow dish, mix together the eggs and heavy cream. Dip each piece of chicken first in the egg mixture, then coat in the almond flour mixture, pressing the coating onto the chicken to make sure it sticks. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add enough oil to cover the bottom of the skillet. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the chicken to the skillet. Fry for about 5-7 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the skillet and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to remove excess oil. If desired, toss the chicken in hot sauce before serving. Enjoy your keto-fried chicken. Note: this recipe can also be made in an air fryer. Bake at 380 F. 190 Si for 15-20 minutes.